How to log in Gmail account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your preferred browser on your PC. After that, in the search bar, you have to click and search for gmail.com, or if you have added Gmail to shortcuts in your browser, then you can simply double click on that and open it. After that, you'll be able to see this type of interface on your PC. So in this text box, you need to enter your email address or phone number associated with your Gmail account. If you forgot your email, then you can go for forgot email option, where you will be helped to get back your account. After entering, simply go for next. And here you need to enter your password. If you forget your password and want to reset it, then you can go for forget password option over here, where you will be helped to reset your password, and once again you can log into your Gmail account. And after entering the password and going for next, you can see my account has been logged in. So by following this simple step, you can log in Gmail account. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.